Almost everybody, even non-gardeners, knows what begonias are. This is the most common plant that we use in our gardens. They're especially well adapted to shady areas. And this time of the year, y'all, I would much rather be working in shady areas than sunny areas. So I thought I'd show you some of the different kinds of begonias you may find available and some of their characteristics. Now here in the front, we've got wax begonias, the most common begonia that we plant. Sometimes we try to put them in full sun. They just don't like it. When we hit July and August, if it gets dry, they start burning and looking terrible. So really, although you may be tempted to use begonias in the sun, they really do best with at least some shade during the day. So think about these gorgeous wax begonias that produce a lot of flowers. The baby wing wax begonias are super plants by the LSU AgCenter, and they're an excellent choice for shady areas as well. For larger, more dramatic begonias, these are the dragon wings. They come in red and they come in pink. Big, robust plants with tons and tons of flowers. They really, really look great. They can be put in beds or they're superb in containers combined with other plants. Now, some begonias are not grown for their flowers, they're grown for their beautiful leaves. These are two wonderful begonias here. Griffin is real popular now, very tough and very great. It's a cane begonia that gets some height to it. And this is Passing Storm. Look at the lavender leaves. Finally, Rex begonias, not as good for us. So these highly colored Rex begonias do fine when it's milder, but get kind of burned looking when it gets hot. So for glorious flowers all through the summer in shady areas, think about planting begonias now. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.